Hey guys, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So essentially I'm here to show you how I came up with this beautiful twist that I did. I added extensions to my hair and I just wanted to share with you how I did this. So do stay tuned and let's head right into the video. So I already started some of the twists before I decided to record it, so you can see that I have already did the loose twist. So this is just to show you how I did it. The hair I used is the Royal Silk Afro Twist braid, and this I think is the 18 inches. This hair is very soft and I like it because it is very good and it's reusable. Actually, I can reuse it. So what I do is just to take out the hair at the ends just to make it look a bit more natural, and also separate it a bit to let it look natural. I decided to use two hair pieces for this. People are able to use more than two, but based on the size that I want, I used just two pieces for each twist. And to make the twist look natural, I decided to kind of like separate it a bit, just like what you see me doing. That is what I did for each of the hair pieces. And so to prep my hair is semi dry, and I already parted it because it was in a loose twist with my own natural hair. So I decided to now add extensions to it. And what I did do is to moisturize it before I put in or add my extension to it. I just moisturize it with water. It's plain water, and then I seal it with my butter. This is shea butter. So that is all that I do to prep the hair. And after I prep the hair, I go ahead with my rubber band. I'm using the rubber band method, and this is the first time I'm trying it. I really think I did well because I haven't done this before. I have just watched videos on it, and so I decided to try this, and it was really cool. I mean, it was really cool to do. So I separate the hair into two equal parts and then pick my extensions. Now to make it longer, I just use like place the ends together and then try to make it longer. So I put the ends, just like you see me doing in the video, in the middle section, and then do my normal twist. Like this is a normal twist. So if you're someone who usually twists your hair, this shouldn't be anything difficult for you to do. You'll be able to do it by just twisting it. And normally I don't do the twist to be very tight, but just a normal twist, because in the end it would feel a bit looser after you are done with everything. So not to do it too tight, just normal twist. So that is what I do. I just twist it all the way to the down, and then ta-da, this is what I have. Look how long it is. So based on how long you want it to be, you just have to figure out how to place the two strands of hair pieces. So you can see, again, just to show you for the second time how I am doing it, just twisting it. So this is essentially how I twist the hair. Now you can use any afro twist hair, or even if you have a marley hair, you can use it. There are some brands like the Noble Gold brand. There is also I've forgotten the name, but there are some brands of these afro twists that you can buy. But if you want the exact one that I am using, it is the Royal Silk Afro Twist, and it is 45 Ghana cedis. That is how I bought it. And Usually, because it's that expensive, you do not get it quite easily in the market, especially if you're in Ghana. The one that is readily available in the market is the Noble Gold or the Sublime, but I prefer this because I'm able to reuse it, and it is softer than the other versions that I'm mentioning. There are other brands that I might put it down the video so that you see, but basically that is it. And so if you want to buy this, you can just check with your local beauty supply store or any online shop that sells these natural extensions or extensions for twists, and then you can get to buy them. So I'm doing a total of 16 twists. You can do more than that, but I didn't want the hair to feel heavy. I also wanted something simple that I would be able to have this natural look. And guys, this is what I came up with. I really love the outcome. It is very, very beautiful, and you can wear it like this, or you can also put it in a ponytail, just like how I am doing it. And you can just rock it in a bun, in anything that you want to put this style in. It is very beautiful, it is very versatile, and I definitely love the result. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this hairstyle, and if you are going to be trying it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do also hit on the subscribe button down below, and also on the notification of the bell button so that you're notified whenever I upload my video. Also, do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I would definitely see you in my next video. Until then, do stay blessed, and as always, I love you guys so much, so much.